Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to change your motorcycle oil in a few simple steps. Stay tuned and let's get started. If you're using your motorcycle what it was intended for, then you should use the manufacturer recommended oil because it is designed to meet the specific requirements and standards of your engine. Using the wrong oil may cause problems, such as reduced performance, increased wear and tear, and even engine damage. When it comes to oil filters, there's a wide range of manufacturers. However, I always stick to the original equipment manufacturer. Start the motorcycle and let the engine idle for less than a minute. Then shut it off and let it cool down while you remove the body panels and prepare for the oil change. To perform an oil change, we're going to need the following items: drain pan, oil, filter, filter removal tool, funnel, newspaper or cardboard, socket or wrench, disposable gloves, old rags or towels, plastic bag, and tinfoil. The oil drain bolt is usually located under or on the side of the oil pan. Some motorcycles have body panels that hide the oil filter's location. All of my motorcycles have filter located at the front of the engine between the exhaust headers. Getting to the oil filter might require moving both side panels, but in this case, I have to remove only one. Place some cardboard or newspaper under the oil pan to catch any oil spills. This will help you keep the area clean and avoid stains. Beware of the exhaust and engine, as they might be hot. I use a piece of tin foil to catch the oil that drips from the filter when I unscrew it. I shape the tin foil so that it forms a channel that directs the oil over the headers and into the oil pan below. This way I can remove the oil filter without making a mess on the exhaust or the floor. Next step, remove the oil filter. As I loosen the filter, the oil starts to flow safely over the exhaust headers. Next, remove the oil filter. Carefully unscrew the oil drain plug and let the oil flow out. But be aware that oil may be hot and could burn your skin. Have a closer look at the magnetic side of the drain plug. A magnetic drain plug is like a doctor for your engine. It can diagnose the condition of your engine by collecting metal particles from the oil. These particles are normal signs of engine wear and tear. A high amount of metal particles can mean your engine needs more attention and care. Clean the oil drain plug, install a new crush washer, and place the drain plug aside. Examine the oil. If it has a nasty smell or contains water or fuel impurities, it signifies that the engine has a major issue. Refrain from riding the bike until you sort out the problem. Once you drain the oil out of the oil pan, look at the remaining oil in the drain pan and contrast it with these two pictures. The picture on the left shows what the oil should look like with no impurities. The picture on the right shows polluted oil mixed with fuel and antifreeze. Next, apply a thin layer of the old oil to the gasket of the new oil filter. This will help it seal better and prevent any damage to the gasket. Carefully align the new filter with the oil filter adapter and twist it by hand until it is snug. Use the oil filter wrench to tighten the filter according to the manufacturer's torque specification. Discard the oil contaminated tinfoil. Remove the oil filler cap. Take a clean rag and wipe the inside and outside of the funnel. This will remove any dust, dirt, or debris that could contaminate the new oil. To measure the oil accurately, you need to know how much oil your engine requires. You can find this information in the owner's manual. All jugs have oil level markings in liters and quarts. Follow these steps to measure how much oil you need to pour into your engine. Step 1. Mark the level of oil in the jug with a marker. Step 2. Subtract the amount of oil that your engine needs from the amount of oil in the jug. For example, if the jug has 5 liters of oil and your engine needs 4 liters, you will mark the 1 liter level on the jug. Step 3. Pour the oil into your engine until the oil level in the jug reaches the mark you made in step 2. Tighten the oil filler cap. Start the motorcycle and look for the low oil pressure light. It should turn off in a few seconds. If it stays on, turn off the engine immediately. If there's no oil light, check underneath the motorcycle and around the oil filter for any signs of leaks. Turn off the engine and let the oil settle for a few minutes. Then check the engine oil level by using the dipstick or the sight glass. Time to reset the oil change interval. Follow the manufacturer's instructions that are provided in the owner's manual or on their website. Now it's time to put the bike back together and clean up. Most communities have a location where you can drop off hazardous waste. You can usually find the best place online or by calling your local government. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you found it entertaining and helpful. Until next time, stay safe.